Go ahead and open your card.
Did you see? Read it.
Read it loud.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
See that little hole on top of the candle? Blow into it. No, blow into it. Blow your candles out. Blow hard. Seriously.
Okay.
Did you read the card, honey?
Yeah.
Blow into the hole. You blow your candles out.
What do you think it is? Guess first. Guess. What do you think it is?
I didn't do that yesterday.
Just guess.
I don't know. What's this?
What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Kindle fire. Oh.
Wow. Okay. You like it?
Yeah.
What the heck is that?
That's a case for your Kindle Fire.
Okay, look at it, Dad.
Tell them what it is.
Huh?
That's a card for your Kindle Fire. You can buy games.
What's this?
And it's a screen protector for your Kindle Fire.
What, this?
Yes.
And this is what?
The case for your Kindle Fire.
And if you don't know how to use it, there's probably a 5-year-old right here who can teach you.
I know how to use it.
Oh, okay.
So you like it?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, yeah.
Can't you see the excitement on his face, Daddy?
Are you excited? Are you tired?
Which one?